Looking for the perfect Christmas tree? Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the SolarCentre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Lapland solar tree outline light. Let's get into it. The Lapland solar tree outline light is 33 centimeters tall and 21 centimeters wide. The metal stand gives it an extra 26 centimeters in height when staked in the ground. This ice-like frosty tree outline comes with 2 meters of cable between the light itself and the solar panel. Let's have a look at what's inside the box. So in the box we have the instructions, the stand, the remote, the stake and wall mount, the screws, the solar panel, and of course the light itself. You can either hang this light with string by hooking it into the hole above the light, or you can stake it into soft ground with the included stand. This light emits a warm white glow and has 8 lighting modes. These include combination, twinkle, sequential, pulsing, flash, slow glow, tracing and flash, and static. You can change the lighting modes via the remote or by pressing the mode button on the back of the solar panel. To set this light up, you need to decide whether you're going to stake your solar panel or wall mount your solar panel. Just make sure it's in a sunny spot so it gets enough sunlight to charge in the day and be ready for the night. This light is actually USB-C compatible. You can find the USB-C port on the back of the solar panel and charge from as little as 3 hours from flat. We highly recommend using this feature for the first time of using your light. This light has a built-in dust sensor, which means the lights will turn on automatically after dark, and you'll get roughly 10 hours of runtime on a full charge. If you have any questions on this light, please do leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.